Hey, so in 2026, Google Sheets comes with powerful AI features that can help you write formulas, analyze data, and build reports much faster. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Sheets AI features step by step. First, open Google Sheets and load a spreadsheet with data. Check the toolbar or side panel for AI Assist, Smart Suggestions, or Help Me Analyze options. You can type a request like Calculate Total Sales, and AI will generate formulas automatically. AI can summarize trends, find insights, or explain what your data means. You can ask AI to build tables, charts, or structured reports from raw data. AI tools can help remove duplicates, fix formatting, and organize messy data. Google Sheets can suggest formulas and patterns based on your previous actions. You can ask AI to create charts like bar graphs, pie charts, or trend lines instantly. AI works even better when combined with manual formulas like sum, if, and VLOOKUP. Always double-check AI results to make sure your data is accurate. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use Google Sheets AI features to work faster and smarter in 2026.